Welcome to DepEd MP TV. This is intended for grade 2 learners, mathematics, 4th quarter, week 1, entitled Telling and Solving Word Problems Involving Time. Hello children! How are you today? I hope you're fine as we go through this lesson. I am Teacher Merly and I will be very happy to guide you in this lesson. Have fun in learning. Today, you will be learning about telling and solving word problems involving time. This is important in your everyday life. With this, you will do time management and prioritize your work. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to A. Tells and writes time in minutes. B. Solves word problems involving time. What are you waiting for? Bring out your pencil and paper. Let's try to answer what you know about the lesson. Read the sentences carefully, then select the letter of the correct answer. Look at the clock. What is the correct time? A. 3:11, B. 11:03, C. 11:15. Number 2. What hand of the clock tells the hour? A. Long hand, B. Short hand, C. Second hand. Number 3. Langsa wakes up at 5:50 every morning. Which clock shows the time? A, B, C. Number 4. Duma started cleaning at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. She cleaned for 30 minutes. At what time did she finish cleaning? A. 2:10, B. 2:20, and C. 2:30. Number 5. Lubong began climbing the mountain at 8 o'clock in the morning. He reached the top at 10 o'clock a.m. How long did he climb the mountain? A. 1 hour, B. 2 hours, C. 3 hours. Let's check your answers. Number 1. Look at the clock. What is the correct time? A. 3:11, B. 11:03, C. 11:15.
11:15.
Very good. C is the correct answer. Number 2. What hand of the clock tells the hour?
Shorthand.
Very good. B is the correct answer. Number 3. Langsa wakes up at 5:50 every morning. Which clock shows the time? A, B, C.
A.
Correct. Number 4. Duma started cleaning at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. She cleaned for 30 minutes. At what time did she finish cleaning? A. 2:10, B. 2:20, C. 2:30.
2:30.
Very good. C is the correct answer. Number 5. Lubong began climbing the mountain at 8 o'clock in the morning. He reached the top at 10 o'clock a.m. How long did he climb the mountain? A. 1 hour, B. 2 hours, C. 3 hours.
2 hours.
So B is the correct answer. Did you get a good score? Sure. Good job, children. You did it. Remember to drink water if you are hydrated in doing the activities. You have learned that the clock tells the time. There are 3 hands of the clock, namely, the short hand that tells the hour, the long hand that tells the minute, and the second hand that tells the number of seconds. The hour hand, the minute hand, and the second hand. So, if the short hand is at 4 and the long hand is at 12, it is 4 o'clock. Another, if the short hand is at 2 and the long hand is at 12, it is 2 o'clock. You will now learn how to tell and write the time in minutes. In reading the time, first read where the shorthand points, then read where the longhand points. Start reading from 1. Read 1 as 5, 2 as 10, 3 as 15, 4 as 20, 5 as 25, 6 as 30, 7 as 35, 8 as 40, 9 as 45, 10 as 50, and 11 as 55. So, the time is 7:20. Here are some examples. 7:15. Another 10:25. Bear in mind that as the minute hand is moving, the short hand is also moving, like in 7:30. Do not be confused. If the short hand is near the number, take the lower number or the number after it. Say 150, not 250.
Let's proceed to problem solving. If the problem asks for the time spent in a certain activity, subtract the time. Example, the van left Bontoc at 5 o'clock in the morning. It reached Baguio at 11 a.m. How long did the van travel? 11 minus 6 equals 5 hours. So the van traveled for 5 hours. If the problem asks at what time the activity stopped, finished or done, add the time. Example, the farmers started walking at 8 o'clock in the morning. They walked for 20 minutes. At what time did they reach the field? 8 o'clock plus 20 minutes equals 8:20. So the farmers reached the field at 8:20 a.m.
Let's do this activity. Clap your hands if the time shown on the clap is correct and no clap if wrong.
Number 1, 4, 5. Number 2, 6:40. Number 3, 9:30.
I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now, it will not be clapping, but you are going to read and write the correct time. Are you ready?
Number 1, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15. Number 2, 2:35, 2:40, 2:50. Number 3, 6:40, 6:50, 6:55.
Let's check your answers.
Number 1, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15.
12:15.
Correct. 12:15 is the correct answer. Number 2, 2:35, 2:40, 2:50.
2:35.
Very good. 2:35 is the answer. Number 3, 6:40, 6:50, 6:55.
6:50.
Very good. 6:50 is the answer.
Are you happy with your score? Yes! How bright you are! Moving on, let's solve word problems. Just relax and take it easy.
Number 1. Lida started eating her lunch at 12 o'clock. She ate for 15 minutes. At what time did she stop eating? 12 o'clock plus 15 minutes equals blank. Number 2. The pupils began playing at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They stopped playing at 6 o'clock. How long did they play? 6 o'clock minus 5 o'clock equals blank hour. Let's see if you answered the word problems right. Number 1. Lida started eating her lunch at 12 o'clock. She ate for 15 minutes. At what time did she stop eating? 12 o'clock plus 15 minutes equals 12:15. So Lida stopped eating at 12:15. Number 2. The pupils began playing at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They stopped playing at 6 o'clock. How long did they play? 6 o'clock minus 5 o'clock equals 1 hour. So the pupils played for 1 hour.
For mastery in solving word problems involving time, answer the next activity. Read the word problem and solve for the answer.
Number 1. The ducks started swimming at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They stopped swimming at 6 o'clock. How long did they swim? A. 1 hour. B. 2 hours. C. 3 hours. Number 2. Len began eating her snack at 10 o'clock in the morning. She ate for 15 minutes. At what time did she stop eating? A. 10:05 a.m. B. 10:10 a.m. C. 10:15 a.m. Number 3. Lina is very tired. She slept at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and woke up at 4 o'clock p.m. How long did she sleep? A. 2 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours.
I know you're done. It's time to check your work.
Number 1. The ducks started swimming at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They stopped swimming at 6 o'clock. How long did they swim?
2 hours.
B is the correct answer. How did you get the answer? 6 o'clock minus 4 o'clock equals 2 hours. Number 2. Len began eating her snack at 10 o'clock in the morning. She ate for 15 minutes. At what time did she stop eating?
10:15.
C is the correct answer. How did you get the answer? 10 o'clock plus 15 minutes equals 10:15. Number 3. Lena is very tired. She slept at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and woke up at 4 o'clock p.m. How long did she sleep?
3 hours.
B is the correct answer. How did you get the answer? 4 o'clock minus 1 o'clock equals 3 hours. In reading the time, read first where the shorthand points, then where the longhand points. Count the minutes by fives starting from 1 until 11. The next thing you're going to do is to read the daily schedule of Kabay on Saturdays and do the next activity. I know you can do it. Waking up time 5:30 a.m. Feeding the chicken 5:40 a.m. Watering the plants 6:05 a.m. Cleaning the house 7:20 a.m. Read the sentences, draw a star if the statement is correct, and triangle if wrong. Kabay wakes up at Number 2. He waters the plants at Number 3. He cleans the house at I know you're done. Let's check your work. Number 1. Kabay wakes up at 5:30. Star is the correct answer. Number 2. He waters the plants at 6:05. Star is the correct answer. Number 3. He cleans the house at 7:25. Triangle is the correct answer.
Were you able to give the correct answers? Of course! Well, I know you can now tell and solve word problems involving time. Prepare for the next activity. Here's the instruction.
Read the sentences carefully, then write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the correct time shown on the clock? A. 12:30. B. 12:35. C. 12:40. Number 2. The longhand tells the number of blank. A. Hour. B. Minutes. C. Seconds. Number 3. Which clock shows 2:55? A. B. C. Number 4. The bus left Alab at 9 o'clock in the morning. It reached Bontoc at 9:15 a.m. How many minutes did the bus travel? A. 15 minutes. B. 20 minutes. C. 25 minutes. Number 5. The boys started digging their garden at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They dug for 1 hour. At what time did they finish digging? A. 3 o'clock. B. 4 o'clock. C. 5 o'clock.
I know you are done. Let's check your answers.
Number 1. What is the correct time shown on the clock? A. 12:30. B. 12:35. C. 12:40. Letter C is the correct answer. 12:40. Number 2. The longhand tells the number of blank. A. Hour. B. Minutes. C. Seconds. B is the correct answer. The longhand tells the number of minutes. Number 3. Which clock shows 2:55? A. B. C. C is the correct answer. Number 4. The bus left Alab at 9 o'clock in the morning. It reached Bontoc at 9:15 a.m. How many minutes did the bus travel? The bus traveled for 15 minutes. So letter A is the correct answer. How did you get the answer? 9:15 minus 9 o'clock equals 15 minutes. Number 5. The boys started digging their garden at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They dug for 1 hour. At what time did they finish digging? Letter B is the correct answer. How did you get 4 o'clock? 3 o'clock plus 1 hour equals 4 o'clock. So the boys finished digging their garden at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Children, Are you happy with your scores? Yes, very good. Congratulations for doing all the activities. Keep up the good work.
For your additional activity, draw the minute hand of the clock to show the time. 2:50, 9:05.
This ends our lesson. I hope you learned something. Goodbye, children!